So someone scanned your Wi-Fi QR code, shared it with their friends, and now half the neighborhood is on your home network. Can you just turn off the Share Wi-Fi QR button on your phone? Short answer? No. iOS and Android process Wi-Fi QR codes locally, so there's no built-in switch to disable that feature. But don't panic. Here are 3 router-level security fixes that render shared QR codes completely useless. Method number: MAC address filtering. This creates a strict VIP list for your Wi-Fi. Even if someone has your password or scans your QR code, if their device isn't on the list, they can't connect. To set this up, log into your router dashboard using 192.168.1.1. Go to Advanced Wireless Settings, locate Access Control, and switch it to Allow List. Add the MAC addresses of your household devices, and boom, unwanted guests are blocked instantly. You can't remove the QR button from your smartphone, but with these 3 settings, you control who stays on your network. If you found this quick tip helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more tech security guides.